You can publish your Google Sheets data to the web to make it easy to publish to the web on websites. To do that, so you have a couple options here. So to do that, you go up to File on your spreadsheet, Publish to the web. Then you have some choices to make. Do you want to have the entire Google Sheet document published where people can click on the tabs, or do you just want to show certain sheets? Then how do you want that data to display? Do you want it to display as a web page or CSV? Or you can also have it where it goes into a PDF doc. It's generated into a PDF document. And when I click Publish and choose OK, I get this link. And if I copy this link, and I'm going to open up another window that I'm not logged into, that PDF is automatically downloaded, and this is what it looks like. Now the other thing that you can do is if you have a chart like this chart, you can actually publish the chart the same way. So I'm going to publish just the chart. It can be interactive or it can be an image. I'll publish the interactive chart. And I'm going to click Publish and click OK. Now the other thing you need to understand is that if this box down here is checked, then anytime anything is changed on the document, that's going to reflect on the published piece of the document too. Alright, so here is my link to my published chart. And here's my document. Now, there's nothing really I can hover over and see the number of tornadoes for that year. That's about all that makes this one interactive. And there's some other types of charts where you can make them interactive. But again, if you were to make a change to the chart, it would change here. So you can put this on a website, put it on a link to an email or some other document.